Smile, because it's your birthday.
All right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Doris. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Yes, and many more.
I don't know about that.
So there's 9 on there. There's not 90, but there's 9.
No, dear. Do I have to blow them all out?
Well, Eddie will help you, I'm sure. Here.
You gonna help me?
All right, make a wish.
Make a wish with me. Make a good one.
Okay. Got a wish? All righty. Blow the candles out. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead.
Abby, help her out, honey.
Blow, baby, blow.
You're not helping.
It can't last until the next birthday now.
Oh, come on, that's not a trick one, is it?
I think they all were. Don't you?
They weren't at all.
Yeah.
They came, they lit up again.
Yeah.
Oh, they just moved it. We just pass it around.
Relatable candles.
Yeah.
All righty.
Maybe.
Boy, this